Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the Honeywell 32001639-002 solenoid valve assembly. This product includes a solenoid valve, feed tube, and nozzle. Pre-installed on the valve is a strainer fitting, which filters the water before it passes through the valve, catching things like sand and dirt, which could otherwise cause a blockage. Voltage is the only important value listed on the valve itself. Other specifications, such as orifice size, vary based on the production year, but do not affect the operation of the valve. The strainer screen should be replaced every 3 years to maintain the correct water flow into your humidifier. This valve needs to be replaced about every 10 years or more often if it fails and is stuck open or closed. Thanks for watching. For this and other parts, visit us at ontimedirect.com.